ॐ नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Most revered Swami Gautamanand Ji Maharaj, revered Swami Shivamayananda Ji Maharaj, Matajis and other senior and brother monks, and the representative of different Bhavaprachar units from all over the country, and the learned speakers on the dais. Time is short, so I will be just running. Bhavaprachar Parishad, we have heard the synopsis of 3 sessions, and the learned speakers spoke very well. Many Swamijis in the second session also have given us a lot of thinking. In this session, Dr. Anita Mitra and Dr. P. Shyamasundar Murthy have also given their beautiful ideas for us. We have discussed various achievements, vertically and horizontally both. We have done much, but yet we are much behind from our target or the goal. We have raised infrastructure, number of Bhavaprachar Parishads, number of member ashramas, but yet we should have some self-analysis. We have celebrated the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda all over the country. But for Bhavaprachar Parishad units throughout the country, we have made a good success, and the event in all the places were really appreciable and cheerful. But we are now to work to strengthen the organization, and it can be done if we just think and resolve that all the members of the Bhavaprachar Parishad units are committed to the goal of Bhavaprachar Parishad. A commitment is required. Secondly, intense participation of all the members voluntarily and intensely. Unity of all the members of that ashrama, and as suggested by many speakers, training of the office bearer is very, very essential. Not only the training in the ideas and teachings of Sri Ramakrishna Mahashardan Swamiji, but also how to run their ashrama, the records, office management, others also. But the most lacking thing is, in many places, the service activities selflessly avoiding commercial activity on the contrast. Many organizations, I may say ashramas, are involved in commercially contract of the activities. They give contract to somebody and he is earning money. We are to avoid it. Whatever services we do, we should do by ourselves, selflessly, because our motto behind the service is to preach the teachings and life of Sri Ramakrishna Mahashardan Swamiji. We are also to be very careful for using the word Ramakrishna Mission by our unit organizations, because it brings some complications, even legal complications had come. We were given notice as the president of the Bhavaprachar Parishad unit of Bihar and Jharkhand, and the same notice was given also to the general secretary from the court. So like that incident should be avoided. It can be done if all the members think that we are a part of the ideology of Ramakrishna Vivekananda. Just as we see in many places in Jharkhand, when people come out, from the distance we can say they are from Christian church, they are coming out. Similarly, by seeing the member of our organization, one should think they are from Ramakrishna Vivekananda and Ma Sharda. So we are to go for service units, and that also we are to consider the most burning problems of the country. As many speakers have told, today the most burning problem of the country is that we have 70% of the world population of youth in our country. Such a big energy force, youth force is with us. And this youth energy is unharnessed. So we are to have activities like human resource development for this youth. This has come because of the negative system of education brought by Lord Macaulay. He spoke in the Parliament of London. He said, "You cannot rule India." He had been here for 4 years, and he said, "You cannot rule India till the backbone of this country is broken, and the backbone is its spirituality and character." He said, we must bring that education which will make them babus. And they wanted such people who will be honest to them. The same system is still carrying on. We are pushing our youth towards higher degrees and white-collar jobs. The result is running away from villages by doing agriculture, which has been the profession of 80% of the population of India. 10% literacy is in Kerala, 10% literacy is in Mizoram, and in both the places the productivity is totally stopped from agriculture. On the other hand, Mizoram is suffering from drug addiction and also AIDS. A Christian father came to me and telling, 150 years we are giving this education. The result is this. My agriculture secretary has sent to you with the words, if you want to save Mizoram, go to Swamiji. What is that education? That education is the positive education which Swamiji wanted. I will be telling you a little later. Because of this, neglecting agriculture as a profession and also a part of education, we have less productivity, we have unemployment, we have poverty, social disbalance, and so the unsocial energy is coming out of this youth. So we are to think over it, turn our young people towards that, when they can go for a higher technology in harnessing natural resources. I was surprised when my chief minister interacting with the students and told, when a student asked, Mukhyamantri ji, till when we should go for higher education to other places? He said, I will start medical college, engineering college this year. This cannot be the solution. Where we have natural resources, land is there, water is there, air is there, sun is there, we cannot think that medical college and engineering college can be the solution. So, harnessing natural resources, harnessing renewable resources, this must come. We have given suggestion to both the governments, the government of India and also the government of Jharkhand, to National Institute of Open Schooling, and also we are going to do it for CBSE when the chairman will be coming in July. The rural education must be English medium, definitely, according to the time they are to compete outside. It must be with CBSE course. Academic education is necessary, but at the same time, vocational education must be from the primary education itself, from KG1. These vocational subjects in agriculture in primary school and KG1 will surely give them the knowledge that after class 8, they will not be called as dropouts, but they will be straight away going for income generation because they are the masters of agriculture science. It does not require degrees. I have an experience in Arunachal Pradesh when I was there in a school. We have done with small children. And today also we are doing in Jharkhand. Small children are going for agriculture, horticulture, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, poultry, duckery, etc. So, Sri Ramakrishna used to say, bhuke pet se dharma nahi hota. So we must first think of the belly. Values will follow it. Swamiji has given a very beautiful hints. There is not much time, but I will just quote one. Swamiji says in Hazaribagh and around it districts, there is plenty of land, fertile land still lying there. There is no dearth of water. We must give them scientific method of food production. Then small and cottage industries will come out. And then whatever you say, they will do. I was surprised when I went there 18 years back. I did not get water there. But Swamiji cannot tell a lie. This was my faith. I went up the hills and I found there is water. We have brought that water to 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers, giving irrigation water to 120 farmers in one project. We have completed 7 projects and we find Swamiji is true. And they are now earning. Many children are coming back, those who have gone for jobs outside. Because now, our claim is if they learn, if they have training in our institute, they can earn 10,000 rupees a month in their village itself, in different branches. But we cannot forget the values. Values and earning both should be there. Prosperity must be there. So, Dve vidye veditavya paracha aparacha. This we must have. And today, people are thinking integrated way. A politician may be politician, but he has to come to values. A bureaucrat is a bureaucrat, but he must come to the values. A management person is management person, but he must come to the values. We are getting invitations from various places. The Chief Minister of Jharkhand, the Information Communication Minister Sanjay Paswan, Tribal Minister of Gujarat recently, they invited me for 2 things. One is the tribal services, how to do tribal services in the country. And secondly, how values can be useful in the political field. My subject was Durniti and Rajniti. Similarly, for bureaucrats, we are getting invitation from the administrative training institutes. In every batch, they have a class for values and ethics. Similarly, from management, recently I attended the School of Management Sciences at Varanasi, School of Management Sciences at Delhi, the international seminars, and the subject was values and ethics in management. Similarly, in children, parents, teachers, we require this. So, we are to now see that our Bhav Prachar Parishad has got a lot of things to be done. As they say, what is the scope of this? So for scope, we can go for that. The only one thing I will tell and then finish it, because time is very limited, that we are just to think that our children should now think very seriously. The man-making, character-building education cannot be by running after degrees and white-collar jobs, but they are to serve the country. It is in all fields. I said to the 800 officers of Gujarat also recently, I told this thing, same thing to students. I'm repeating here also. All the members of Bhav Prachar Parishad units are very fortunate, because they have come at the call of Sri Ramakrishna. Dakshineshwar, long back he told, where are you? I'm waiting for you, come. And the same voice is still today. Sri Ramakrishna says, whoever has restlessly called once to God will have to come here. He who has last birth, he will come here. Or he who comes here will have his last birth. You are fortunate, but if we understand. If we don't understand, then the same things will happen, the problems that we were quoting. Members are not coming, not cooperating, not working. They come only for as a member. They have disputes. One member's show is going on. Other members are not with him. Disputes, quarrels, groups, all these things will come. But if we think that Sri Ramakrishna, what he has taught, God is, realization of God is the only purpose of this life. All religions are true. God is in all beings, so we must serve him as God. If we remember these things, follow these things, be and make, this is the first thing. In management, they say we are to manage 5 things: man, money, machine, marketing, and one more is there. Material. And then I started telling, that's all right, I will give you a 6th one. What is that? You can manage man as a personnel. That is what you are teaching. But our Vedanta says, you are first to manage yourself. So self-management is the first management that is to be done. So all our members, you are to be first, as Swamiji says. Be first. Manage yourself, your body, your senses, your mind, your intellect, and then only you can manage others. So we are to go, we are to serve people. We must be ready for that. We must have that capacity, that capability, that energy, and it comes only when we make ourselves first. Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharda, Swamiji is our ideal. Let us follow that and be first, and then go for making others. This is why we are failure. When we say our ashrama we have got, temple is there, nobody is coming. We call them for classes, nobody is coming. Young people are not coming. Please think over. It is because we are not ready. We are not ready. If we are ready, youth will come, everybody will come, they will participate. Last, some of the speaker told there should be temple in every village. And from my side, Swamiji was whispering, you tell about yourself. Divyan has got 150 villages where all the activities which we are advising for our Bhav Prachar Parishad units are being followed there. They earn, they learn, and they worship. So, we are to understand our responsibility, and if we do that sincerely, dedicatedly, definitely we have job satisfaction, we are very humble, and if we do that in the spirit of service to God in man, our booking is there. Initiation, dress, registration in Ramakrishna Mission, these are not the criteria. Criteria is the sincere service of God in man. Thank you.